If the sleeves on your favorite denim jacket are too long, let me show you how to shorten them and get the perfect length. Let's get started. Today I'll show you how to shorten the sleeves on this denim jacket, step by step and at a slow pace, so it's easy to follow even if you're a beginner. The right way to find the new sleeve length is to pull up the extra fabric, pin it in the middle, and check where you want the sleeve to finish. Before removing the pin, mark the new sleeve length with chalk. We measured from the chalk mark, and the sleeves need to be shortened by 5 inches. Separate both cuffs from the sleeves. After separating the cuffs, clean off all the extra threads and keep the cuffs aside. Carefully measure and cut 5 inches from each sleeve, making sure both sleeves remain even. As you can see, there was an opening at the cuff. After shortening the sleeves by 5 inches, those openings are gone, so we need to recreate them. The original opening was 3.5 inches, but since we shortened the sleeves by 5 inches, I'll make the new opening 2.5 inches long. Carefully remove the top stitching and open the seam about 2.5 inches. Take your time while removing the stitches to avoid cutting or damaging the fabric. Before we move to the sewing machine, if you're finding this tutorial helpful, please take a moment to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step alteration tutorials. The preparation is complete. Now we're ready to move to the sewing machine and start stitching. Use jeans thread as the top thread in the sewing machine. For the bobbin, you can use regular thread. At the 2.5-inch mark for the sleeve opening, work on the lower layer of the seam. I'll show this next part in slow motion so you can clearly see and follow every detail. Make a small 1 centimeter cut, fold the edge under, and stitch it in place. Now that the sleeve opening is finished, it's time to reattach the cuff. Position the cuff correctly, making sure the buttonhole is aligned with the top stitch side of the sleeve opening. When attaching the cuff to the sleeve, if the sleeve is slightly wider than the cuff, make 1 or 2 small pleats to evenly distribute the extra fabric. The first sleeve is complete. Repeat the same process on the other sleeve. Once both sleeves are finished, the sewing is complete, and we're ready to move on to the final pressing. Give both sleeves a good final press and remove any loose or extra threads. As you can see, the sleeves are now professionally shortened with a clean, beautiful finish. If you found this tutorial helpful, please subscribe to the channel, leave a comment, and let me know what alteration you'd like to see next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.